Stop scrolling, nature lovers. Meet your new feathered friend, the dusky lory. The dusky lory, also known as Pseudios fuscata, comes from the lush rainforests of New Guinea. These vibrant birds are famous for their stunning plumage, with shades of orange, green, and blue. And guess what? They're not just pretty faces, they're pretty smart too. Dusky lories love to feast on nectar, fruits, and flowers, making them essential pollinators in their habitat. Imagine a hummingbird, but with the personality of a parrot. They're social creatures, often seen in flocks, chattering away and showing off their playful antics. So, next time you think about amazing birds, remember the dusky lory. It's not just a bird, it's a burst of color and joy straight from the heart of the rainforest. Like and subscribe for more wildlife wonders.